Hello, our art friends. Today in Kitty Kanjo, we are going to learn how to draw Bluey wearing a vampire costume. So let's start drawing. First, draw an oval shape for the eye. And the smaller oval shape inside, then color it. Draw a horizontal line coming out from the side of the eye. Then make a curved line going down to the left. Then end it with a small curve to make the part around the nose and the smiley mouth. Draw another eye similar to the first one. Just make it partially hidden behind the nose part. Draw a thick eyebrow over each eye. Draw a triangular shape for the nose. Then color it, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Draw two sharp vampire teeth coming down from the mouth. Connect the two eyebrows with a horizontal line. Then draw a curved line going down on each side to make the sides of the face. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw some curved lines around the eyes. And around the mouth. Draw an upside down letter V for the ear. And the smaller one inside. Repeat the same steps to make the other ear. Draw two curved lines at the bottom of the face, going down diagonally, leaving a space between them in the middle. To make the bandana in the middle, draw a curved line connecting the two diagonal lines. Then draw a line coming down from each side. Connect them at the bottom with a curved zigzag. Decorate the bandana with a couple of lines. Draw another diagonal line under the first one on each side. Make it longer than the first one. Connect this diagonal line to the side of the face with a curved line on each side. To complete the cape, draw a line coming down from the corner, one on each side. Then connect the middle of this line to the bandana with a curved zigzag. Draw half a square shape coming down from the cape. Make it with rounded corners to make the bottom part of the body. Decorate it with a couple of lines and a small curved line on the side. To make the hands, draw a letter U for the thumb right next to the side of the body Then draw a line coming down from the cape. Then draw 3 tiny fingers at the bottom. Repeat the same steps on the other side to make the other hand. Decorate the arms with a line right above the arm. Draw 2 lines coming down from the bottom part of the body to make the leg. Finish the leg with the paw. Then add 2 curved lines for the toe. Decorate the leg with a line in the middle. Repeat the same steps to make the other leg. Connect them at the bottom with a curved zigzag. Spooky! Now you can draw Bluey wearing a vampire costume. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.